How to mass delete comments on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Now, go to your feed and open any of your posts. Then tap on the comments icon on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the comments on your post. Tap and hold any comment and then select Manage Multiple Comments as well. Now select the comments you want to delete. After selecting, tap on Delete at the bottom. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted all the comments. Following these steps, you can easily mass delete comments on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.